Hello students, today we are going to learn my book of colon science, and this video is specially made for my students. And here I choose one topic, and this topic is related to three classes, that is class 4, class 5 and class 6. So you just not look here and you can turn your textbook page number 80, class 4 chapter 11 page number 80, class 5 chapter 9 page 63, and class 6 chapter 4 page 49. And what is the topic for today? Let's see. Okay, matter and its states. So today's topic is matter and its states. Right after this video you will know what is matter and its state. So for today to discuss, we are going to discuss about these few points. So the first thing is that I want you to understand what is matter. Let me write here. Any substance that has weight and occupy space is called matter. Okay, so just read out. Any substance that has occupied space, that has weight, is called matter. Now, just you see around right now, what things around you, and I have here one globe. So this globe has weight or not? Obviously it has weight. And it occupies space or not? Yeah, it occupies space. So this is matter. Now I can show you another. Okay, this is water. So this water has weight or not? Correct, it has weight. It occupies space or not? Do water occupy the empty bottle? Okay, so it occupies space. So it has, this is matter. And I want to show one more. See, what is this? What is here inside the bottle? Generally you can say this is empty bottle. Is it? Yeah, this is empty bottle, but according to science this is not empty bottle. This is full of air. So air has weight or not? It occupies space or not? Okay, little bit confused, is it? Let me give one example. So take two balloons, balance it equally. After that you take one balloon and blow in the air full, tight it. Now you balance it again. So what do you notice? Or which balloon will be heavier? Yeah, just think use your IQ. The balloon which you fill the air, that will be heavier as compared to that other balloon. So this proves that, this shows that air has weight and it occupies space. So air also matter. Easy, is it? Okay, now let's go to constitutions of matter. Now in this constitution of matter means matter is made up of what? Okay, let me write. Matter, this is the first point. Matter is made up of very small particles called molecules. MOLECULES, molecules. Okay. So matter is made up of very small particles which we call molecules. You got the point? Yeah. Molecules that makes up matter. Okay. And molecules are further molecules are made up of even smaller particles called atoms. Okay, so a very small particles, molecules also very small particle, but even then the molecules, that atoms is smaller as compared to molecules. Atom is smaller than the molecules. So different types of atoms that combine together and make molecules, and that molecules make matter. So in this point you need to understand is that molecules and atoms, atoms. Okay, so just try to understand these atoms and molecules. So the vast topic we'll discuss later. Now let's go to each stage. Okay, each stage there are different stages of matter. So do you remember that? How many stages are there? Correct, 3 stages. Okay, number 1 is what? Solid. Number 2 is liquid. Number 3 is gas. Okay, solid, liquid and gas. These are the 3 stages of matter. Don't forget. Okay, do not forget, don't forget. So let me give one example, some examples of what is solid, what is liquid and what is gas. Okay, solid, then I have this marker pen. This is solid. I have a book, and I have, before I show you, I have a globe. All these things are solid. Is it? Yeah. And what is liquid? Before I show you, it's water. Correct. Inside the bottle there is water, that it is liquid. More? Can you give me more examples? Yes, milk, oil, kerosene, petrol, all these things are liquid. And what about gases? What are the examples of gases? Okay, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, all these things are gases. Okay, just some example, let me not write that. Okay, so now you understand what is solid, liquid and gas. Now let's go to properties of solid, liquid and gases. What are the properties of solid, what are the properties of liquid and gases? So thus I have written here for solid, means to write on a blackboard it takes a lot of time. So as we discussed this one, and this one. Now properties of gases. Let's do this one. Number 1, solid have definite shape and definite volume. Okay, now solid has definite shape and definite volume. Okay, now this is one solid. What shape is this? This is in circular shape. So it has definite shape. Is it? The volume, is it? It has weight, how height, length, everything. That is the volume. So it has definite shape and definite volume. And oh, this is very heavy. This is bricks. What shape it is? Is in rectangular, is it? So it has volume, yeah, height and mass. So solid has definite shape and definite volume. They every solid have their own shape. Okay, some solid they are irregular shape that we'll discuss later. So now you understand solid has definite shape and definite volume. But let's go to liquid. Do liquid have definite shape and volume? Okay, let's try this experiment. Now, if I pour this water in this empty bottle, what do you notice? What shape is this and what shape is this? This is a square or rectangle shape, is it? And this one is in circular shape. It's round. So, do solid has definite shape? No. It take the things or container which you pour in. The water take the shape of the things or utensils that you pour in. So they don't have definite shape. They depends on the things which we pour in. So we can write this, and it has volume, is it? Correct. Water, liquid has definite volume, means how many milliliter that is the volume. So how can we write? Solid already called, now liquid. Liquid have liquid do not have definite shape, but they have definite volume. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's go to gases. Two gases definite shape and volume. Let's see. This is gas. Okay. What shape is that? We can't understand what shape is that. So gas, this is a gas, okay? That gas which in the bottle, empty bottle, what shape is that? We can't understand, okay? If we put in the bottle, okay, it take like a shape of it, but that gases, they don't have shape. So like this one, gases do not have shape. Shape nor volume. Okay, so gases also no shape, no volume. This is number one. Let's go to number two. Solids are hard. Correct. Solids are very hard. Just think it, your table, your chair, your bricks, your knife, all these are very hard. So solids are very hard. Correct. Is liquid hard or not? Just one bucket of water, you just pass through your hand or dip inside, and you touch, or you dip, can you pass through the water easily or not? Yes. So liquids are not hard. Liquids, they are not hard. Are not hard. To gas hard, it's full of gas. I can move this easily, freely. Gas, they are not hard. Gases are not hard. Okay, shortly, not hard. Okay, gases are not hard. Now, okay, let's point this number 1, number 2, number 3 is what? Solid do not flow. Okay, let's talk to number 3. Solid do not flow. Correct. Suppose anything that I just use, suppose you think your textbook, just keep on a table, do textbook flow or not? No, never. Never flow. But you take the water, keep on a table, it will flow or not? Correct. The water flow. So like liquids flow. How they flow? Liquid flow from higher to lower place. Okay, liquid flow from higher to lower place. Okay, liquid flows from higher to lower place. Okay, to gas flow. Yeah, correct, gas flow. If I spray, it flows, is it? But how they flow? It is quite different from liquids. Let's see. Gases flow from, okay, gas flow in every direction. Means gases flow in every direction, from higher to lower or lower to higher, from right side to left side or left side to right side, from front side to back side or back side to front side. So the gases flow in every direction. Okay, now this is number 3. Number 4. Number 4, solid cannot be compressed. Correct? Solid cannot be compressed. This is solid. How I can't compress this one? This is very hard to compress. It's not possible to compress. I cannot make smaller to while compressing. Is it? It's very hard. We need to apply force, but if you apply too much, then it will break again. So, solid cannot be compressed. But let's take this experiment. Okay, this is liquid. Now let me block this one and let me compress. See, just 1 millimeter I can compress. So what you understand from here? Now let me write for you. Liquid can compress slightly. Okay, liquid can compress slightly. Means it can compress little. Okay, but what about gases? Let me remove this water. Now, okay, this is full of gas. Let me block this one and let me press C. It can compress, is it? It become full again. It can compress. So gases can be compressed easily. Okay, number 4 can be compressed easily. Okay, the 5th point is solid cannot be, okay, sorry, that's compressed. Okay, I exchanged the point. Now let's talk about solid do not diffuse. I already took this one. Okay, now this point will become 5. Okay, solid do not diffuse. To solid diffuse, what is the meaning of diffuse? Diffuse means rapidly spread everywhere. Okay, just right now I spray this perfume a small amount of perfume that spread in all the corner of this room. It's everywhere. So little amount of this molecule, it fill up all this room. So this is called diffusion. Okay, so solid do not diffuse. If I keep something, it will not diffuse, it will not go here and there, that solid will not find to the other place that in the room, but which I kept the place only there. So solid do not diffuse. What about water? Water also same thing. If you keep water also, that water will not spread all over my room. Okay, it will not go everywhere. So water do not diffuse. Liquid, water means liquid, do not diffuse. What about gas? Gases? Yeah, gases diffuse. Means it when we a little amount of gases, it will spread all over enough from here to there. It diffuse. Okay, so gases diffuse. Okay, so up to here, I thought that you understand. Now let's go to these changes in the state. Okay, changes in the state. Now the states change to each other. Okay, states means how many states? 3 states: solid, liquid, and gases. So this solid can change to liquid, liquid can change to solid, and this liquid can change to gases. How? No, let's discuss about changes in the state. Okay, let's take one example here. Suppose this is water. Okay, this is water. Means liquid. Let me write here L, liquid. This is water. Now take this water and you keep in the refrigerator. So after 6 hours or 1 day, what will this liquid become? What this liquid will become? Yeah, the water, that liquid will change into solid. That water will change into ice. Okay, let's see, this water will change into ice. ICE means this is solid. Okay, so from this, water will change into ice. Okay, this water will change into ice. Now if we keep this ice for a long time, now this ice will melt and it will turn into water again, is it? So this ice will, if we keep here this ice, it will melt and this ice will change into water again. Means this is, it become liquid. L means it become water. Okay. So now this is called changing. Okay, changing of the state from one state to another. Please understand. Now suppose if you put here fire, if you put here fire and you heat it, okay, heat it. After you heat for long, what will the water will become? It will become water vapor. Water vapor. Water vapor. So this water vapor is called, you can say, gas. Okay, gas. Now this water become gas, is it? Means this water liquid become gas again, means water change into water vapor. So this is the change in the state, changing from one state to another. Okay, after that what, this, suppose this is the water. Now this water, you are boiling the water, and now if you cover up this water while boiling, this is the water vapor. Now this is half water, but if you cover up this lid by lid, now the water vapor will hit to this lid and the surface of the surface of this lid are gold. So when the water vapor hit to this lid, now this water vapor will change into water again. That water vapor will change back into water again. So the gas changes into water. So this is a very simple, and sometimes some of my students, most of you are confused here. Let me repeat you nicely. Okay, to understand this, let's see freezing. Freezing. Freezing means the process of liquid changes into solid. Okay, means liquid changes into solid. Okay, please don't make confuse here. Freezing means liquid changes into solid. The process of the liquid changes into liquid is called freezing. Means freezing means you just try to understand. You just remember your refrigerator. Okay, so if the water freeze, then it become ice. That means the water liquid will become solid. That's what it's called. Freezing means the process of liquid that changes into solid. Okay, and one is that melting. Okay, melting means the solid now as solid changes into liquid. Fish. Okay, now this melting means solid, means ice changes into water is called melting. The ice melts it and it changes into water. So melting means the solid changes into liquid is called melting. Now evaporation. Evaporation means water changes into means liquid changes into vapor or gas. Okay, now evaporation means you're boiling the water, is it? Now that water change into water vapor, that is called evaporation. The water change into gas, that is called evaporation. And one more, condensation. Condensation means what? Now the water vapor changes into water again. So vapor or gas changes into water or liquid. Okay, just think it here water, you just think it liquid. Okay, so condensation means the water vapor or gas that changes into water again, means the gases change into liquid is called condensation. I hope that you understand all these things, is it? Don't confuse. Freezing, melting, evaporation, condensation. So today's topic, that's all. And class 6, I cannot touch much your books, but next video surely I will make for you. Now I want to give you one homework. Okay, let me write here. See, this one, solids are hard. Why solids are hard? Why solids are hard? Okay, just try to answer me this one. You can answer me through email or inbox me in my WhatsApp, or you can just inbox in my YouTube also. Just try to answer why solids are hard. Next, we are going to discuss about this one and try to find out. And from this lesson, you just try to answer what is freezing, what is melting, what is evaporation, what is condensation, what is matter, and what are the properties of solid, liquid, and gases. Then what are the constitution of matter? Means matter is made up of what? That is the main topic for today. So hope you understand this. So thank you for watching this. Bye bye.